am with you again, your English teacher. Today we will learn tongue twisters. A tongue twister is a short, syntactically correct phrase. This phrase has a poor meaning. This phrase contains a lot of sounds difficult to pronounce. There are sounds in tongue twisters that sound similar to each other. However, they are different sounds. Tongue twisters has been used for many years to improve your pronunciation and articulation. In English, there are words and phrases that are difficult for people to pronounce for not native English speakers. For example, this is how a tongue twister is pronounced by a native English speaker.
Betty bought a bit of butter, but she said this butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. So she bought a bit of butter, better than her bitter butter, and she put it in her batter, and her batter was not bitter. So it was better Betty bought a bit of better butter.
Today, I will teach you how to pronounce tongue twisters. At first, we read the phrase very slowly, pronouncing each word beautifully. If you do not understand what this phrase is about, you need to pause the video and translate this phrase into your native language. There is space in my video, so you can repeat the tongue twister after me. Don't be lazy. Be sure to say the tongue twister after me, otherwise you will not learn anything. I ensure that at the end of the lesson you will be able to read every tongue twister very quickly. Take your time. The learning process should take several days. Give your brain a chance to process what is going on. Only this way you will be able to remember for a long time that you have learned.
Meet my assistants. Today they will help me teach a lesson on tongue twisters. Repeat after me. He threw 3 free throws. 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 And now a little faster. He threw 3 free throws. He threw 3 free throws. He threw 3 free throws. Can you say it even faster? He threw 3 free throws. He threw 3 free throws. Wayne went to Wales to watch walruses. Wayne went to Wales. To watch walruses. Wayne went to Wales to watch walruses. Wayne went to Wales to watch walruses. And now a little bit faster. Wayne went to Wales to watch walruses. Can you say it a little more faster? Wayne went to Wales to watch walruses. Can you say it a little more faster? Wayne went to Wales to watch walruses. Peter Piper picked a bag of pickled peppers. Peter. Piper. Picked. A bag of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a bag of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a bag of pickled peppers. Can you say it a little faster? Peter Piper picked a bag of pickled peppers. 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 Two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. Two. Tiny. Tigers. Take. Two. Taxes. To town. Two tiny. Tigers take. Two taxis. To town. Two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. Two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. Can you say it a little faster? Two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. Two tiny tigers take two taxis to town. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Can you say it a little faster? I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Thanks for watching my video. Did you enjoy learning tongue twisters? I really like tongue twisters. When I learn tongue twisters, I begin to speak much more clearly and correctly in everyday life. If you liked this video, please support me with likes, so I can understand that you need my videos. Your feedback cheers me up and motivates me to make new videos. I'm trying especially for you. I wish you all a good day. Harry was with you.